Hello, everyone. Today I will be offering a guided meditation infused with the powerful energetics of the expansion principle. This meditation is designed to support you in releasing patterns, habits, and beliefs that no longer align with your truth. Please note, this meditation should not be done while driving or engaging in any activity that requires your full attention. Ensure you are in a safe and quiet space where you can fully relax and focus. Begin by finding a comfortable place to sit or to lay down. Allow your body to relax as you breathe in and out through your nose, slow and steady. I invite you to close your eyes or to soften your gaze, whatever feels comfortable for you. You will start noticing a beautiful full forest forming around you as you stand right in the middle. Crisp, cool air brushing against your skin with softness, and golden leaves falling gently around you as you feel the soft warmth of the sun on your body. Feel your feet rooted on the earth, connecting deeply to its steady grounding energy. With each breath, allow this grounding to flow through your body, coming up from your feet, traveling all the way up to your head, anchoring you in the present moment. As you feel the soft breeze swirling around you, carrying away tension and heaviness, you may whisper this to yourself or repeat it in your mind. I am safe to let go. I release all that no longer serves my highest good. You can see or feel it as a gentle force of nature, inviting you to release. As you breathe in deeply, ask yourself, what patterns, habits, or beliefs no longer align with my truth? Let the answers rise naturally in your awareness. You might see them as images, words, or simply feel their presence. Imagine each one as a colorful autumn leaf gently releasing into your hands. Take a moment to thank these habits or beliefs for the lessons they've taught you. In front of you, you will notice a stream. As you step up close to the stream, you will see the beautiful flow of the river. As you place the leaves in the water one by one, you can repeat this out loud or in your mind. I release this with love. I'm free to embrace my truth. Watch as the current carries them away with ease. Feel a sense of lightness as each leaf disappears downstream. With every exhale, release a little bit more. As the river continues to flow, you will notice a beautiful, shimmery golden light pouring down from above. Reaches to the top of your head as it gently soaks through your crown. It starts to fill the space once occupied by those old patterns with the light of expansion principle. Feeling this light radiating warmth, renewal, and clarity within you. As you breathe deeply in, make this affirmation for yourself. I am aligned with my highest truth. I welcome growth, love, and authenticity. Repeat it one more time. I am aligned with my highest truth. I welcome growth, love, and authenticity. One last time. I am aligned with my highest truth. I welcome growth, love, and authenticity. When you are ready, slowly start to return to the present moment by wiggling your fingers and toes. And when ready, gently opening up your eyes. As you carry the sense of release and renewal with you. Know that you are able to come back to this meditation anytime you like, and these transmissions will continuously be available to you, whether you are tuning into the meditation or carrying on with your day from this moment on. Thank you for tuning in and for participating. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments as we connect and grow together.